Assalamu alaikum, and today we are looking into another problem from Project Euler. This is problem number 5. It says 2520 is the smallest number that can be divided by each of the numbers from 1 to 10 without any remainder. So, what is the smallest positive number that is evenly divisible by all numbers from 1 to 20? सो 2520 इज़ स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर जो कि 1 से 10 तक तमाम पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स पे डिविजिबल है। तो हमें ऐसा स्मॉलेस्ट पॉजिटिव नंबर फाइंड करना है जो 1 से 20 तक तमाम इंटीजर्स पे कम्प्लीटली डिविजिबल हो विदाउट एनी रिमाइंडर। सो yeah, this should be pretty straightforward. Let's dive into it. As usual, I have prepared a template for this problem. So this method is responsible of finding the smallest divisible by all up to 20 and return the result. So we need to find the smallest divisible by all integers up to 20. Say we define a boolean variable is divisible by all and we can say false, and after that smallest number, which is 0 for now, and we will be starting from 1, and let's iterate starting from number to up to number. Let's starting number to maximum number each to I, and let's wrap in this into while loop, until and divisible by all until the number is divisible by all. We will loop through this starting from 1 to 20. Let's move this. And what we can do now is break unless number is equals to 0, number is equals to 1, divide number by I and check if remainder 0. We will break from this loop whenever a number is not divisible by I. Else क्या होगा? We will return number if I equals up to number. We don't need this. We are going to remove this. So what we are doing is we are starting a loop until the number is divisible by all. We are starting from 1 and adding, we forgot to add, because num plus equal 1. So we are starting from 1 and adding 1 each time. So सबसे पहले हमने चेक किया है ये जो गिवन नंबर है अगर किसी भी नंबर पे डिवाइड नहीं होता तो हम ब्रेक करके एक नंबर ऐड करते हैं और नेक्स्ट पे ये दोबारा से सब कुछ चेक करते हैं। सो अगर तो हमारा नंबर सब पे डिविजिबल है देन एट द एंड हम चेक करते हैं कि करंट नंबर इज़ इक्वल्स टू द मैक्सिमम नंबर, तो हम वो नंबर रिटर्न कर देते हैं कि दिस इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट integer that is divisible by all integers from 1 to 20. So let's test this with 10. So if we say this and run this, 2520, which is correct. And if we try this with 20, this will take some time, as we are starting from 1 and adding 1 each time, and in each iteration we are checking numbers from 1 to 20. So let's run this again. Yeah, it is taking some time. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to Desi Developer channel, and we are still waiting for the result. Okay, we have this number 232792560. Alright, let's check this on Project Euler. Yeah, we got it right. So we have the smallest number that is divisible by all integers from 1 to 20. That's it for this problem. I'll be back with another from Project Euler very soon. Until then, do share this video with your friends and keep supporting. Allah Hafiz.